it in Q, don't gone dark. I tagged the close, it left a mark. First light on the second screen, P&L blinking red and green. The room is still, my jaw is tight. We're playing traps from last night. Funny how one clean push through highs can make a busted plan feel wise. Spent too long leaning on the side, trying to bully my way through. Now I'm watching for the head faking, waiting for the real thing to show. One more look, let the tape talk back. I've been dodging NQ trickery, trying not to snap too fast. Now the candle stopped to print right where the stops were placed. Maybe edge was never forced at all. Maybe it was just patience with a face. Every whip took a chunk, every fake out taught me where it stung. Every loss I wore too fresh, show me what I let slide next. Nothing left I need to brag, nothing left I need to prove. Funny how the screen gets clear when you stop trying to make it move. Here's to every messy open, every flush I had to sit through. Every snap that ripped me open and what it made me do. Some days aren't about the win, they're about not doubling down. Licking wounds, keeping receipts, and coming back when the tape cools down. One more look, there's no rush to be. NQ's gonna toss his tricks, whether it's baiting or testing me. Enough fussing every candle, enough chasing every move. If peace feels like anything, it's a clean read and a better groove. Another crack it in Q, don't gone dark. I tagged the close, it left a mark. First light on the second screen, P&L blinking red and green. The room is still, my jaw is tight. We're playing traps from last night. Funny how one clean push through highs can make a busted plan feel wise. Spent too long leaning on the sides, trying to bully my way through. Now I'm watching for the head faking, waiting for the real thing to show. One more look, let the tape talk back. I've been dodging NQ trickery, trying not to snap.
Oh, geez. Thank you, Angia. I've been muted this whole time, actually. I've been like talking since the stream started here. Oh my God. 10 minutes in, muted mic. Thanks for letting me know. Yeah, so I did enter along here 2 micros, seeing if we can't get a little bit of push off this POC. Gonna be pretty aggressive on this guy though. I don't want to be holding this into the open. So this is in my Blue Sky accounts, one funded, one eval. ES is looking really strong at the moment. YM okay, NQ sort of okay. Wouldn't mind just kind of closing the trade if we could get up to like the 15-17, 915, 917 area. We do have a little bit of orders below the 29,900 area. This candle goes green. I'm going to go break even on this trade, and then we'll just try to let it run a bit. I'll trail it up with the stops here. My entry is at 901. Just need this candle to flip a little bit more green. Try not to go break even too early. Okay, I'm going to go there. Break even +2. There we go. Getting a little more pop here. Gonna add a couple more points in here. Might get stopped out if we pull back much here, but that's okay. It is just before the bell. I don't really want to be in this trade, but I'll just lock in a little bit of green. Okay, there we got out. We're out of that trade now. That was a small little winner there. I was saying hi to Yossi and Born Hunting earlier, and I didn't get any comments back, so I was like, huh, what's going on here? No wonder my mic was off. How was pre-market, guys? Do you guys take any trades? You guys get in some longs there with Nick? I think I saw Angia saying that she had... Oh, there we go. Damn. Got out a little bit early. Thanks for hitting that like on the X channel there, Puran. Appreciate it. I waited and waited for you last night. Still waiting? What? Why were you waiting last night? We're usually only Tuesdays and Thursdays. But hey, thank you for that, Lafta. Typically not live on Wednesdays, but sorry about that. Who's still waiting? Well, hey, I'm here now. I'm here now, bro. Did we get a 15-minute? We do have a 15-minute gap here. Be interesting to see what we're going to do here at the opening bell. So that news candle was a little bit of an indecision candle there. Kind of like, looks like we opened up. Looks like maybe we popped up and then we went all the way down to the 200 EMA and then closed right at the value area low. So if that's an indication as to what price might do, maybe we're going to get a deeper pullback all the way to the value area low before we go higher, but you're going to have to see. Finding a little bit of resistance here near 29,921. Do have 57 contracts there, but taking a look further up above 120 at 950. 980 we got 120, and at 30,000 we have 232. Let's take a quick look at NQ here. Also 925 40 contracts, 955 52 contracts, 30,000 59 contracts. Quite a few here at 29,900 right now. 109. So I'm wondering if this is going to be like a support level. Are we going to take these out right at the open? Be interesting to see how this plays out. These candles up here are pretty indecisive, but we are holding above the PLC, which is a bullish signal. We got about 6 minutes here till the bell. A little less than 6 minutes. Currently have about 9 people watching, 5 people on YouTube, 4 on X. Oh, excuse me. Let's get some W's in the chat song going here. $29,900 here, potentially coming. 5 minutes to the bell here. Got a new 5-minute candle forming here. Kind of forming a bit of a bull flag, it looks like at the moment. If we were to just draw a quick line off the top here. Sort of like that. You're holding my last 3 longs? Nice. That was a nice pop up there. How many contracts did you start with, Angia? Like 8 something? Crazy beautiful long. You took 35 micros. Wow, Angia. Holy. Holy smokes. Good for you. And the 15 micros, and then added. Then 10 and 10. Okay. Hey, Jack Knapp. Hey, good evening. Or morning. Good morning. Sorry. Oh my God. It's early, guys. Here, trying to wake up. And we're popping up here again here on the last 5 minutes here before the candle open. He took 3 times long. Nice. Holy guacamole here. Nice little pop here out of this bullish fair value gap. Holding the PLC 29,900. You brewed your funded 5,700? Nice. Wow. Good for you. That's amazing. We'll have to see what happens here, the price at the open. Are we just gonna rip? I don't know. Yeah, you're a good chef, right, Angia? Two and a half minutes here to the bell. We do have those orders 25 above and 55 above that. 925, 955. $984 on MNQ and 30,000. Looking pretty decent above, orders above. We do have some orders that just came on not that long ago, down at 29,880. 880 is sort of previous day's VWAP there. ES is looking pretty strong this morning. Almost tempted to trade that one. Well, we'll stick with our good old Nazi. I'm assuming Nick's probably in a trade right now. Okay, guys. About 1 minute here to the bell. Good luck, good luck. Wouldn't mind seeing a pullback into this bullish fair value gap, find a little bit of support, and then head higher. Try not to rush in too quickly on this opening bell candle here. Nazi gets very jealous when you look at her cousin Easy. Right? Okay, 20 seconds here. 15 seconds. Pulling back right into this bullish fair value gap here. You'll be back later? Okay, Angia. See you in a bit. Probably FSP. You got to do some little FSP stream here. Let's see if we're going to get a bounce here off of this candle. This starting to get into a bearish move here a little bit. Holding the previous day's VWAP. Nice if this thing just flipped green for us here. Getting a bit of a deeper pullback here. $29,867 now here, right to the overnight VWAP. Cluster of orders down at 62, down at 50 here. Candles wicking up pretty decently here. Back above 900s. All right. Took a little scalp there, guys. Ended up locking in a pretty decent start here. 302 accounts. 300 in each account here. Looks like I'm on the wrong account here. So we'll move over to the blue sky next. Just double check Trader's Post here. Make sure I'm not in anything still. Look at those 2 accounts closed. Looking good. All right. Back to blue sky here. Looks like we might be popping bullish even more here. Locked in, 302 in my top one futures funded account, 1 eval. So that guy is now away, only 250 away from passing that top one futures eval, and 2,415 profit on the funded account. Look at this thing, man. Should have just held it a little bit longer. That would have been a beautiful trade. Oh, don't really want to chase it now, though. Looking like it's just going to go here. Bullish above London high? Yeah, totally agree. Totally agree. Look at this thing going here, guys. Damn. Oh, the FOMO is real, guys. I locked in $300, but it was like not enough here compared to what we could have had there. My exit was at it stopped me out at the 900s, and here we are up at the 954s already. Oh my god. Switch over to the blue sky. Look at this thing going here, guys. Man. The FOMO is real right now, guys. Seriously. Seriously. I think I'm going to have to stay flat. Jeez. $80 points from where we were earlier already. Orders up there at 30,000, 285 contracts. All the way through 30K here. We're going straight to these equal highs up there, guys. Wow, look at this thing going here. Jeez. Hey, Nick, good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, I'm feeling serious FOMO. I got into a long, I ended up getting stopped out 300 in profit in 2 accounts, and it's just going. It's just going so huge right now. Oh my god. Doing everything I can to not FOMO into this at the moment.
So you missed it. I just took my first ever RTY trade.
How'd that go?
Made $30.
Okay. Money's.
I mean, it was my first ever RTY trade.
Beautiful. What made you get onto RTY today?
I was reading the emails from Anthony Gradelli.
Oh yeah.
And decided I would check it out. I like the price action on it. I normally only trade ES and NQ, but looking at the price action on it, I was willing to take a little bit of a risk on a new ticker symbol. So
yeah, nice.
This NQ is looking insane.
Oh my god, that's what I'm saying. I'm serious FOMO right now. I was actually in with 8 micros, and I closed it for a $300 winner in my top one futures accounts, and that was right. I got stopped out. I trailed it a little bit too aggressively. I got stopped out right at 29,900, and we're now at 30,000.
Yeah, it absorbed all 300 of those orders that were at 30,000.
30,000? Yeah, just straight through it, like no hesitation.
And we're what, 80 ticks above that right now?
Yeah. Yeah, so we just I can see us heading all the way to 30,077 area. That's where I have those 4-hour equal highs. I had this little, I don't know, indication line here on the chart for some time here. I'm just hoping we get a little bit of a pullback, maybe a retest to the 30,000, which is previous day high. And then we're going to go to the 30,077. That'd be nice. 40 seconds left here on this candle. So, I mean, decent start. I mean, I'm up $300. Can't complain about that. But yeah, it's just like when you see this like this could have been probably like $3 grand already. Maybe not quite that much, but maybe like 1,500, $2,000 kind of thing.
If you were in with what'd you say, 8 micros?
8 micros, yeah. My average price was, let's see here. My average price was $885. So 130 points right now. So 200, that's about 1,600 to 2,000.
I was gonna say you got at least 1,500 out of that after costs and commissions. Oof.
This thing just doesn't look like it wants to stop here. Finally struggling a little bit here.
So I think my thought pre-market was waiting for a pullback to go long.
Mm-hmm.
I'm still waiting for that pullback. Where is it?
Right.
So I am going to continue looking at the RTY today.
Okay.
I'm up $150 so far.
Very nice.
So
you're still in the RTY right now?
No, I'm not in a trade right now. I mean, total for pre-market and
gotcha.
my New York session trade.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to continue looking at this. I'm going to see if I can learn something new.
Yeah, I forget who it's, we had one guy that used to always trade RTY. I can't forget his name. Nate, I think it was, or something. Haven't seen him in a while.
Yeah, I just want to see how this price action is. Looking to the left, it is clean. Right now, I got a 4-hour chart up.
Mm-hmm.
And looking back over the past 15 days, it is, I don't want to say it looks easy, but it looks very, very clean. One hour looks the same. Really clean movement. It actually kind of reminds me of ES.
Really?
Yeah. Respects the deviation bands and VWAP most of the time. Looking at a 15-minute chart, it is through London and Asia sessions. It seems to bounce off that standard 2 and -2 deviation band. Stalls out at VWAP and then continues in the same direction it's been going. On its trending days, tends to interact with VWAP a little bit and then stays above it. On downtrending days, again, it interacts with VWAP a little bit, can get up above the or up to the standard 1 deviation, and then continues that downtrend in bearish days during the New York session. So kind of like that type of price action.
Oh, that's so awesome there. Just grabbed another $300 in my TPT Pro account.
Nice.
Oh, that was a little scary though. I did take about $200 drawdown on that trade, and this is at my best funded account. So that one's now over 3,143 profit. So probably going to take a payout on that one, hopefully towards the end of the week here. And it looks like we're going all the way up to those 77s here. See if we can't sweep those equal highs. I'm so aggressive on taking profits though. Like seriously.
What are you turning into me now?
I wish I could just hold on to, like, look at this thing now, man. Like I closed it again, so I closed it here at 30,040 and we're already at 30,080. It's like in like not even 30 seconds there, we're 40 more points higher. It's like shit. Not gonna complain though. We got locked in another $300, so decent, really good day.
If you're
today,
complaining about locking in $300 a trade, I'm gonna have to fly to Vancouver and give you a smack.
Please do come hang out. Well, there goes those equal highs. We got it. We got it.
Wow.
Yeah, so up 650 now on the day. So look at this thing going. Jesus. No complaint. No. Angia got 10K. Angia, wow, 10K. Yeah, she was in with 35 micros originally.
That's how you do it. She saw her setup. She sized up appropriately. I thought my tiny little 6 micro NQ long was good.
You hate bull market, but I don't hate money. And yeah. Oh my God. Look how much money there's 2 trades in a row now. I left so much money on the table.
Don't worry about what you left on the table. Worry about the risk that you took off it.
Yeah. This is a recurring theme today. It's not a bad thing though. Again, like I said, I'm feeling pretty good about what happened regardless. So
that and the opening range is just set 3 minutes ago. So
yeah. Oh my god, this thing just doesn't want to stop here, guys. Look at this thing going. Oh my lord. Do we have another higher time frame draw on liquidity up here? Oh, we do have this 1 hour bearish fair value gap all the way at 30,300. That's on the 1 hour. We got some 4 hour gaps above that, 30,475. Is this thing just going to go straight up? What's going? Is oil just collapsing at the moment?
I now have 9 micros in on this NQ long. My average price is at 103.50.
Nice.
So I'm up 500.
Beautiful. We like that. Can't believe these, man. Holy crap. I got a real serious FOMO problem right now. 2 trades in a row. Okay. That just tells me I need to not take any trades here for a bit. Or should I just buy a pullback here?
Well, the opening range is set. We have pretty good uptrend.
Yeah. And this thing is really not showing any sign of pulling back here, to be honest.
There's no reason to get out of this trade. Other than just trying not to be greedy.
Yeah. We have 192 contracts at 30,200.
Jeez.
Ryan, how are you doing? Good morning. What is your actual name, Ryan?
I just took a little bit of profit off of that one.
Smart.
Oh, right before the pullback too. Okay,
yeah.
Cool. I'll take it.
Hey,
That was
Nick's
purely
taking
coincidence.
partials.
That was not planned.
Nick taking partials. That's not normal.
I'm learning from you, Dave. I'm learning from you.
Take some risk off. Hey, okay, It's Mark. Mark Entourage. Good to know. Well, we'll just keep calling you Ryan for now, bro. Just because it's.
So Ryan's name is Mark.
Yeah, we got to keep the secret name to ourselves here. But with a name like Ryan, I respond to it. Yeah. Oh, with a last name like Ryan, I respond to it. Gotcha.
Oh, his last name is Ryan. Got it.
Well, it says like Ryan, so I don't even think that's the real name. Everyone always calls me Ryan. I can't blame them.
Do you just look like a Ryan? What's happening here? I'm confused.
Yes. All-time highs coming on MES. Oh, geez. Yeah, MES is looking super bullish too here. I was looking at that pre-market. I was like, maybe I should be trading MES today. Dow is definitely not. I think we picked the right contract, though. NQ is just even cleaner than ES, which is... It's because Dow's going down here while NQ is going up. No, you're bad. It is Ryan. Your last name is Ryan. Okay. Mark Ryan in the house. Okay, you have a good day, Ryan. Mr. Mark. Sorry, now I'm like, what am I gonna say here? No, when I say Ryan, it just feels weird. Because I know his name is Mark.
Dave, you need to look at your chart here. Get your mind off of Ryan.
I'm trying to stay out of the trades right now.
Oh, okay, fair
I
enough.
don't know.
I did just take a big boy contract on this pullback on ES.
Wow. Jerry says, Mustang, why does RTY remind you of MES? It's clean as well for trading? Yeah, that's kind of what he was saying. He was saying, looking back at price action, looks really clean. So
it doesn't seem to have the same volatility spikes as NQ, which is why I get real edgy every time I trade NQ, unless it is in a very strong trend. NQ makes me a little nervous. There are days when I do really well with NQ, but then the other days when I trade NQ, by the time I'm done, I feel like I just reek of cigars, bourbon, and bad decisions.
come out of the trading session with the hangover?
Yeah, pretty much.
Like, geez, what did I just do for the last 30 minutes here? Body's all sore, head hurts, eyes are dry, didn't blink once.
I had that trade once. Didn't blink for 15 minutes.
Realize your eyes are burning.
Cracked.
Yeah.
What's that?
You realize your eyes are just burning, so you're like, huh,
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I've blinked here for extended period of time.
All right, we're getting another pullback on ES, a little one. Managing this on the 1 minute chart right now, so on this pullback. All right, I added to it, so I'm in with 2 minis.
Come on, yes, let's go. Hey, Tim's in the house. Good morning, Tim. Yeah, I'm just going to stay flat here for a bit. I just feel like, I don't know. I just don't know what I feel like at the moment. So that's why I'm just staying flat here.
That's what you're feeling?
Yeah.
Then flat's the way to be.
Yeah. Try to be responsible over here.
Don't worry about the
Learning from
missing, worry about the setups that you want.
Yeah. That's true. I mean, I don't really want it to pull back here because I know you're in a long, but
you want it to pull back so you can get into one too. I know how you are.
That 30,077 level, which was those equal highs, I could see us kind of heading back there, finding support, and then bouncing again. Maybe not even
locking in 300 here.
Nice, beautiful.
I'm sorry, I'm locking in 150. I just looked at my my P&L. It's at 300.
Oh, it's at 350. Yeah. Nice. And it's turning bullish here. Nice new high there on ES, 78.17. NQ isn't quite making the new high yet. And Dow's cooperating now. So Dow's in a bullish move on a bullish candle here. Getting a little bit of a pullback on the Dow, but it looks like ES or NQ's kind of popping up a bit now.
Yep, I just added another mini to this. Still got 125 locked in. So I'm in with 3 minis.
That was a nice add in. You added in a whole another mini and only lost 25 on your stop there.
I lifted my stop loss up.
Okay, but I just mean like now with the amount of potential on the upside, and you only gave up $25 versus your last stop.
So this is really a zero risk trade right now.
Yeah.
No matter what, I'm making $125 on it, and
just keep going here. Look at that.
Yeah,
yes,
if it keeps going.
New high.
I'm gonna be ecstatic.
Yeah, I believe you, sir.
All right, now I'm gonna lock in 200.
30,100
275.
seems to be the support level for NQ. Both those last two candles pulled back to 100 and bounced.
Locking in 387.
Some silly sausage entered 36 contracts at the top long, or they got stopped. What is that, Big T? Are you talking about yourself? Looks like they're going to those orders at 30,200 on NQ. Are you fully out of your NQ trade, or you still got that one going too? Nick?
Hold on 1 second.
Yes, sir. Wow, that thing's just ripping for you there. Oh, you're looking at the large orders? Gotcha.
All right, sorry about that, Dave. What were you saying?
I was just asking if you were still in that NQ trade, or did you get?
Oh no, I
completely out
took it pulled back and stopped me out in profit. I think I made like maybe $50 on that tops.
Oh, but you took some profits on that, didn't you?
I did take profit on it.
Yeah. Okay, gotcha. Now, why I'm starting to look bullish here again, popping up here, which is going to help your ES trade a bit here. NQ is pulling back a touch. Interesting though. ES, YM. ES is pulling back a touch. NQ pulling back a touch. YM's popping up real strong here. There you go. Hey, Joanne. Good morning.
650.
Beautiful.
And I'm out.
Nice.
It is 10 a.m. New York time, and I just made 20 grand.
Holy crap. Was that all like in a bunch of funded accounts?
Yep.
Nice.
Exactly. Beautiful. 20 up.
So you made $1,000 on 20 accounts. Wow. Wow.
$1,072 on one trade.
Wow. Nice trade. Yeah.
Well, I'm done for the day.
FOMO is real.
Wait for the pullback.
Joanne says I already have 850. Nice.
Man, Joanne has been killing it.
That YM really turned bullish there. All the way back up to the pre-market highs here. Looks like NQ is kind of stalling out at the moment.
Nice job, Nick. Thanks for the help this morning. Anytime, Tim.
Sweet.
You guys are keeping me sane in the morning, so I'm not just sitting there talking to myself like a psychopath.
Nick, I got 10 minutes into the stream and my mic was muted. And Angie's like, Dave, your mic's muted. I'm like, oh my God, 10 minutes in here. Been talking away to nothing.
I wouldn't feel too bad about that. I do that constantly.
Like, oh, thank you.
I am the worst when it comes to
Oh, Joanne forgot a bracket last night and then woke up this morning, was up 483. Nice. That's awesome.
Yeah. She left a resting order sitting on her account. Woke up with
yeah.
Hey, at least she woke up green and not heavy red.
Yeah.
So
glad that went the right direction for you. FN Trades made $400 on a personal account. Tiny fish here. Mustang is a Leviathan.
Not even close, man. I don't have that kind of money.
Nice gift. Hey, Joanne. Nice gift. Yes. Gift from the trading gods for putting in all the work lately. Yeah, NQ's really stalled out here. It looks like ES and YM are the ones that are just ripping.
Yeah, I'm not getting into anything else now until there's a major pullback or actually, I don't know if I might just close my computer and say good day, because
Might just lock it out.
yeah.
We do have a 1 hour bearish fair value gap up at 30,315. Could potentially be the target if this momentum just keeps going here. Obviously, we are going to get some sort of pullback here at some point. Like, that's just inevitable. Not a guarantee.
I mean, there has to be pullback sometime, right?
Yeah, there has. Well, you never know. Maybe these little micro pullbacks is all we're going to get. Just little, like, 20, 30 point pullbacks and then a new high. We'll have to see. I'm just going to be patient here. I still haven't traded anything in my Blue Sky account or my Lucid Flex accounts. So,
just now, so you know, CBD on ES is at 11,700, and on NQ it's at 12,800.
Yeah, I know, pretty wild, right?
That's special.
Yeah.
And you're still trading just MNQ, correct?
Yes. So I don't know. I'm kind of thinking I should probably take a payout from the TPT Pro now that I'm up over 3,000 on that account. 53,143. I could take out 1,000 and leave it at 52,100. Really should pay myself.
Yeah. Even if you only pay yourself, like, what is the minimum on TPT? $1,000 or $500?
Is it? Yeah.
I actually don't remember what their minimum is. I think it's five. Actually, now that I say, I think it's 500.
Mm-hmm.
Even if you take that $500 payout, think of it this way: if you take out the $500 payout on TPT, even if you blow that account, you're still up $400.
Yeah, that's true.
So,
yeah, maybe that's a good call. Rather than take out the 1,000 and put it all the way down to 52,100, yeah, take out the 500 and then I'll have an extra 500 buffer on top of so it'll be like 2,600 buffer.
So do you want my opinion on that?
Sure.
So looking at TPT, TPT is a daily payout with no limit on it. So those accounts cost in total, like for a 50K account, like $120, $130 for your eval. Once you get your funding, you have a $1,500 drawdown, I believe, on a 50K.
2,000, but yeah.
Is it 2,000?
Right. Yeah.
So you get 2,000 trailing drawdown, but it is trailing drawdown rather than static at that point. Or I'm sorry, end of day.
Yeah.
The more buffer you have, the more likely you are to take multiple $500 payouts. Would you rather take 10 $500 payouts over 20 days, or would you rather take 2 or 3 $1,000 payouts and increase your chances of blowing the account?
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I think yeah, it makes sense. Probably should just take 500 and then just leave a little more buffer in there.
And this is just my opinion, but
I'm a little overdue for a payout too, actually. So I should really take it. Take one. Time to buy the next dip on MES. Retracement incoming. Hey, Jerry? Dow popped up there, got resistance up at 54,088, pulling back down to 54,046. NQ's stalling out here, but it's really not pulling back yet either. So
now watch out for when it stops moving. Be real careful.
yeah. No, I'm not going to jump into it long here.
So getting a pullback on RTY. A little bit of a pullback on ES, but it looks like it's going back up again. We do have a pretty high volume node sitting at 78.2450. $10.09.
Do you I think you sounds like you have visitors over there.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. Who, family members in
Family.
town?
Yeah.
Nice. That's always good.
I want to know what the catalyst for that move was.
I think it's just drawing liquidity. Like we've been waiting for these equal highs here for, I mean, how long has it been since we had those equal highs? So the second equal high was at August 5th, and the first equal high was from right there, July 10th.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So that's why, like, on August 5th, we matched that July 10th price. So ever since then, I was like, we got these equal highs on a couple occasions. I've been like, let's get there. First, we rejected at 980s. Then just yesterday, we rejected at 30,000. And so today's the day, today's the day. Sometimes we don't necessarily need a catalyst. Although, I mean, we did have that news pre-market, which kind of like...
It wasn't good news, but it wasn't horrible. Mm-hmm. So...
wasn't enough to, like, ruin it, right? Well, we're making a new high here. Looks like there isn't any pullbacks in sight.
Really isn't.
Jesus. That means I can't take any trades. Can I request a payout on this 100K funded account?
Maybe.
It says request payout. This is a elite access funded account.
If it shows up in that platform with a request
button,
a request tab, then you can. Those don't pop up unless you have hit all of your consistency and daily profit targets and all that.
Yeah.
All right, I just popped in another long here on RTY at the standard 1 deviation. 2 minis. Well, I did 1 mini and then added to it. And I'm up $80.
Oh, weird. So I don't know. This says if you available profit 2,430, profit share 90%, your share, max withdrawal 1,215.
Yeah, they have maximum withdrawal limits.
But this says you're in the buffer zone. You can withdraw up to 50% 1,215 until your profit exceeds the buffer threshold.
Yeah.
You need to reach a profit target of 3,500 before requesting a payout. So I don't know. That doesn't make sense to me. It's telling me that I can withdraw 1,200, but then it's saying that you need to reach the target of 3,500 before requesting a payout.
Oh, that's weird.
Current profit 24.90. Yeah, and it's not letting me put it won't, the confirm payout won't highlight. So I guess that's just there now. Doesn't necessarily mean you get it, but getting pretty close. I mean, that means I need to make about a little $1,100 more in that account, and I could withdraw a payout. But it shows consistency is met. Minimum trading days 7 out of 5. Consistency is 27%. Have I not taken a loss on these? No, I did take a loss. CCI 5 was at negative 100 level. What is a CCI 5? Wayne? So I guess we gotta wait with the TPT accounts. You have to wait till the end of day to do that. Take a payout.
No, go to your account settings. You'll have a drop down. It'll say calendar, personal info, all that stuff, and then it'll have wallet on there. Go to wallet, and it'll have a request amount on there. Put in the amount that you want to request, submit it. It'll get approved usually within 5 minutes. Done this couple, 2-3 times.
Mm-hmm. I feel like I should do it on, maybe I'll do it on stream tonight. Why does it keep telling me that? It keeps telling me my authenticated code is incorrect. Here we go.
Yeah, do it on your stream tonight, and
oh yeah, I see there's a withdraw button.
that'd be good for all of your loyal listeners to watch you take a payout.
Yeah. Traders no longer fully price in Fed rate hikes this year. That was about 5 minutes ago.
All right, on this pullback toward VWAP, I just entered another 6 micro long on ES.
Ooh, nice. Jerry Trades Mr. Money Mouth, putting little emojis with money and green eyes. You remember when I told you
this isn't going to be a banger of a trade or anything? Well, at least I don't think it is.
Yeah.
I'm looking at 6 micros. Just well, I don't know. It's starting to move up. Maybe this will be a good one.
Joanne said, do you remember when I told you somebody is trading for me? It's a legit on one trader prop firm. I took a payout. Really? Like somebody else is taking trades for you on that account? That's interesting.
That is very strange.
I don't know. Depends. I guess some firms might allow that.
Yeah, I mean, most of them will ban you for
you.
life if you have other people trading. Well, hold on. Is it a prop firm or is it a brokerage? That's a big old difference there.
10K payout? Seriously? Holy crap. Just shows you might have a pullback in the up move, Dave. Okay. I could take trades for you, LOL. FN trades.
I'll take trades for you. Let's do this. All right, I made $60 on that.
Nice.
How's that song go? We're just stacking little base hits.
Stacking base hits. Let's put that one on. It's fitting right now. This is like the classic one of the very first songs that we made on the channel.
I'm still really partial to the Iguana Armageddon.
Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. Wow, so YM pulled all the way back to the New York VWAP, and now it's looking like it's going to go make a new high. Joanne, yes, I'll leave 2K on my account. I'll go shopping today. Nice. Woke up late. Did I miss all the fun? Yes, Sat. You missed some good fun.
Yeah, you missed
fun.
You missed all the fun right now.
Do not FOMO in though. Right? Make sure you wait for a good setup here, because with that type of move, we might just go sideways. We might get a deep pullback. We'll have to see.
You talking about that YM long that you're looking at and tempted to get into?
No. Me?
Oh,
no, I'm just saying to Sat, don't just jump in anything.
Oh, okay.
Because don't feel the FOMO because we're all bullish here. I don't think now is not the best time to just go in. Kind of better to try to wait for a pullback or something. Czar Trader, after really grumpy session yesterday and during London, it's really refreshing to see MNQ so clean today. Yeah. I've been kind of waiting for these days, one of these days.
Holy shit.
Wow. ES is just... Wow. It's because YM's really going here. YM's like ripping, has a new high on the session. So it's dragging ES up with it nicely here. And NQ's not like really fighting too much. It has a green candle, but it's just not really going very far.
So I took my second RTY trade here with 2 minis.
Whew.
on that pullback, I added into it. So I started with one mini, added another one to it. I got my stop loss 3 ticks above the entry price, and up 160 right now.
Nice. Hey, Dad. Good morning. How are you? Thanks for the like.
I was honestly expecting this to be maximum like $30 trade.
Wayne says, nice pullback long, Nick. Yeah.
All right, I'm out.
Nice trade.
It's $75 on that.
Cool.
I will happily take $75 in under 5 minutes.
Yeah. Those base hits.
Hey, that's like almost double my normal base hits.
Yeah, almost exactly double. Yeah, I haven't really done any charting on MYM, or else I would be considering taking a trade there. So I just don't really know where the draw and liquidities are, or like where the resistance would be.
Yeah, looking at this RTY chart right now, I am focused on that point of control down at 3,071. And we got 2 bullish fair value gaps up above it right now. Bottom of the lower one is at 3,071.50, and the top of the higher one is sitting at 3,074. So not huge.
RTY looks like a nice bull flag forming right now. I wouldn't doubt it if this thing consolidates a little bit more and then makes a new high.
Yeah, I don't want to get into a long right now.
Potentially you would see it on Bookmap, Big Teflon. Yeah.
See what on Bookmap?
He's just saying if we would see a draw on liquidity.
For NQ.
Yeah, or basically any of the contracts, right? So
right now on MNQ we have 225 orders at 30,185. 100 orders at the 180 level, 95 at 175. And it's looking pretty dark up above. We do have 127 orders at 250 and 108 at 300. Wow.
Yeah, it kind of seems like it wants to pull back. But when you look, actually, if you look at the NQ, it looks heavier above rather than
really.
NQ.
Oh,
yeah.
Excuse me. We are getting some volume balls on here too.
Yeah, some selling volume balls there. Tapped into, there was a bunch of contracts here at 201, 70 micros were sold there and absorbed.
Yeah, wow. NQ does look a little bit heavier to the top side.
I have been kind of popping back and forth between those lately, just to see, like, what's going on both, right? I usually watch MNQ, but I'll just like pop over to NQ to see, you know, is it lining up or what the deal is there. Oh, pretty big pop up here.
Yeah, it seems to be moving. Don't get trapped.
Yeah, that's true. That could be a trappy type move right there. Well, Big Teflon, like I know what you're saying, and a lot of people agree with that, but like often I see a lot of reactions on the prices that are on MNQ. So I mean, there is some valid there's some valid considerations on MNQ also. So on the book map, and that's just from my personal experience, just watching it. So you on TradingView, you made a CVD that pulls CVD from NQ. Gotcha. Don't get trapped, and then NQ drifts higher for 6 more hours. Initial balance just got set there, guys.
All right. Well, I think I'm done for the day.
Fair.
I don't really want to stay in this and start risking
Profits.
Yeah.
Thinking about if I am going to take a long here, I'm thinking about just doing it only on my Blue Sky eval. Trying to wait for a bit of a pullback here, but it doesn't seem like we're going to get it. Looks like we're going to go up to 30,250 here pretty quick. Do we have some orders up at? We got 140 contracts up at 30,300. All those orders that were on MNQ below took off, which is interesting.
On the MNQ?
Yeah. And some of these orders on NQ were at 62 or something, 260. Then they moved it up to 263. Then they moved it up to 268. Now it's sitting at 271. Nick, Joanne says, Nick, second time you said you're done for the day today. Haha.
You know what? Thank you for pointing that out.
Chris says, have a great day. I slept in. Scalping is a game now. Right?
Yep.
Yeah, if
So,
you're going to trade it, you got to be, yeah.
I am pulling up my Traders Post command pad. Lockout. 5 hours. Done.
Nice.
There we go. I can't do anything now, so. And Joanne, thank you for pointing that out. I do appreciate that. I am not immune to FOMO and degenerate trading, so I do appreciate you you making the comment on it. All right, Dave.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
gonna get the heck out of here.
Okay.
I will.
Thanks
see
for hanging
you.
out. Appreciate it.
Hey,
Congrats.
I'll see you possibly tonight.
All right. Nice.
Today is Thursday, correct?
Yes, it is.
Cool. All right. Well, I'm gonna go hang out with some family.
Nice.
I'll talk to
Yeah,
you in a
sounds
bit.
good. Okay, Nick. Have a good one.
All
See ya.
right. See y'all later.
Chris says family's in town. Hard to be on the serious schedule. None of us are immune to FOMO. Yeah. As soon as I go long, the market will decide to crash. I know it. Yeah, I know that's the same feeling I got right now too. It's kind of why I'm just staying flat at the moment. I did jump in along here, guys. See if we can't. This is in my blue sky eval. Got the stop locked in profit a little bit. See if we can't get a little more momentum here. Come on, let's go. Keep squeezing, keep squeezing. Squeeze out those shorts. Oh, okay. Stopped out in the money anyways. 27 bucks. Cancel open orders here. That was a short-lived trade. I really shouldn't. I'm being aggressive on putting a stop in profit though if I'm going to take any trades up here. And this is only an eval, so limit orders with tight stops. If you're wrong twice, walk away for a moment. Yeah. Tight stops right now are pretty much like 30 points though. Like, if you want to let it breathe at all. So
Follow the plan. Protect the capital. Trust your edge. Wait. Execute.
let's play Night Build Audio's One More Cup.
Another cup before I leave. Ain't nowhere I'm supposed to be. Morning paints the mountain gold like she's telling stories never told. The fire's low, the air's clean. Quiet says more than words have been. Funny how these simple things mean more now than diamond rings. I spend years chasing yesterday, trying to get somewhere fast. Now I'm watching shadows fade and hoping this one lasts. Pour one more cup, let the mountains speak. I've been searching all my life for the peace I couldn't keep. Now the wind knows my name and the pines all wave hello. Ain't a thing I need today but one more before I go. I've known laughter, I've known pain, dance through sunshine, walk through rain. Lost a few and loved enough to know this heart was built for both. Every wrinkle tells a tale, every scar has earned its place. If I could do it all again, I'd still arrive right here today. So here's to friends I've yet to meet, and those who've long since gone. I swear there's somewhere in the breeze still singing me along. Raise your cup to every road.
There we go. Getting a bit of more of a pullback here.
Some dreams don't wait at journey's end. They're resting in your hands. Pour one more cup. There's no need to rush.
put a limit order where you normally stop out. The only downside is those random long wicks you get. Yeah, that's true.
Starts with mornings just this way. One more sip, one more sunrise, one more cup.
Got to pull back there to the IB high, 30,240.
Another cup before I leave. Ain't nowhere I'm supposed to be. Morning paints the mountain gold like she's telling stories never told. The fire's low, the air's clean.
Cup check. You gotta check to make sure you got enough coffee in the cup or what? Coffee in the cup. I'm finishing cold cappuccino from yesterday. Starbucks.
Morning fades, I'm lost in thought. Promises I made, moments I forgot. The weight of the day, it's pulling me deep. But I know there's strength that I'll soon meet. I need a breath, just a space in time. A moment to pause this busy life of mine. No rush, no race, just let me be. A second to feel like I'm finally me. I rise with the beat, I feel the spark. No longer afraid to take on the dark. Every step I take, I claim my ground. Hoping the rhythm.
Curious what's gonna happen here. We're coming back to the IB high. Is this going to be a potential place to go long here? I don't know. What do you guys think? We got a bullish fair value gap there, 30,239.
Every late night, every doubt I fought taught me patience in each lesson I caught. Now as I breathe, I see it clear. I've made it through. I'm still here. Tomorrow can't wait. I'm still
Decided to take this same call as Nick, locked it up a bit early, come back for Asia. See you later. Kate, Czar, you have a great day, bro. You have a great day.
stillness in the quiet home. lost in thought, promises I made, moments I forgot. The weight of the day, it's pulling me deep, but I know there's strength that I'll soon meet. I need a breath.
Baseball players adjusting their cups. Yeah. Again, a bit of a deeper pullback here into the 30s, 2030 area, or 230 area. Wonder, is this the end of the bull move? Are we going to go all the way back to the VWAP, or are they going to just like let it pull back a little bit and then go higher here? Let's see how this ends up playing out. I think we're pretty much done on the news today, right? Retail sales, we have Canadian core retail sales, which is a little bit later here. Why is this saying August 21st? Gotta refresh my financial juice here. Buyers trying to take over, back in control here. Wondering if they're going to head back up to the 58 area. $240s here. We got about 25 people watching currently, 16 people in YouTube, 18 people in YouTube, and 7 people in X this morning. Are these bulls going to take the IB high again here is the question. We do have the nice draw on liquidity up here at 30,300 area. Baseball players. Getting a bit of a deeper pullback here. It's continuing. Pullback's continuing here. Hopefully, for the Bulls' sake here, we don't get a closure below 217 here, which is the bottom of this fair value gap. 215.75. "22 seconds here left on this candle." Yeah, sure. I can definitely turn up the music. I usually keep it down because Nick doesn't like it too loud, so I usually keep it around this level here. Oh, we did get, so we did not get a closure below on that last candle here. See if the bulls are going to finally step back in here or not, or are we going to head all the way down to this, 200 level, 190, 200 here, possibly. Glad you're enjoying the music, Wayne. Not going to take any more trades in the funded accounts. I think today I'm going to be content with the profits on those. Could think about taking a potential trade here in the Blue Sky eval, the 200,000 static drawdown account. I feel like it's kind of like one of those situations where we just kind of like buy a pullback here. Just not sure where we're going to stop pulling back at the moment. And now if we get back above IB high, that's going to be really nice for the bulls. But right now it's kind of starting to look like a failed auction. Again, if we get a candle closure below this 217 level here, that's not very good for the bulls, but we do have some contracts below. It's getting a little bit darker above. We have some orders up at 70, 270, and then some at 300 here. So long need a VWAP rejection. VWAP's all the way down here though, right? 30,117. That's quite a ways. It's quite a ways. Your delta profile is morphing into a delta volume profile that draws on low volume nodes and cool stuff. Nice. That sounds pretty good. I like it. I like it. What does the delta volume profile tell you right now, Mr. Big T?
dark pools, fake breaks, liquidity, heartbreak.
It's telling me to learn how to read a delta profile. Nice. I like that. You gotta just keep watching it for a while, hey, and then you can start formulating some ideas off of it, eh? It's kind of like trading with Bookmap. It's like it's no guarantee, but it's you can start picking up some things here and there that gonna tell you maybe what you should or shouldn't be doing depending on what price is showing at the time, right? Tapping into the 200s now. Maybe this is going to be an area for a potential long. We do have this other bullish fair value gap down here at 193. To be honest, it's really cool. You see where the high volume nodes are and the balance of buying, selling at exactly those levels. Value area high, low, and POC. Nice.
One more candle.
3-minute MES red delta down wave. Gotcha, Wayne. Yeah, it's a bunch of profit taken up here, right? Sellers are sort of in control at the moment. High volume at the VWAP. Where's the VWAP? What VWAP are you running to have a VWAP close? Because my VWAP is way down here at 30,119. Long again?
Everybody got an explanation. Dark pools, fake breaks, liquidity, heartbreak.
Buyer's trying to hold these levels here. I would feel like the bulls are still here if we can get back above IB high. That would be ideal. Bit of a battle here going on. Buyers and sellers really trying to figure out who's going to take control here. 30,200 level here. Pretty strong closure there on that candle.
One more candle. Here we go. Green candles got me feeling like a king tonight. Charts clean and every setup looking right. One more breakout, one more perfect call. Till the market flips and takes it all. Watching futures like the screen. Living every trader's dream. One click later, what a ride. Now I'm praying for the other side. Who's hunting all my stops tonight? Who's fading every move is right?
Oh, I don't know what to do here, guys. I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick. Be right back.
Everybody got an explanation. Dark pools, fake breaks, liquidity, heartbreak. Blame the market, blame the whale, blame the headline, blame retail, blame the bots that never sleep. Still the losses are run deep. Every chart will tell the truth. If you trade with patience too, risk is small and winners grow. That's the only edge I know. Slow it down, wait your turn. Every loss is something learned. Market makers stole my trade, liquidity rate, another payday. But I learned the hardest way. Discipline is here to stay. Take the setup, trust the plan. Don't be Superman. 1% is all I need. Consistency is
Got 122. Was too risky to go big in size. Yeah. Just got to be careful. Oh, you're looking at MES. Not NQ. Oh, gotcha. Yeah. MES pulled back all the way to the VWAP there. Nice. I was like wondering, I'm like, why? Like, we seem like we're so far away, and Wayne's talking about MES or the VWAP. RTY kind of breaking down here a little bit. MYM. Whoa. MYN making new lows. Wow.
Charts go dark,
All right, well, we did invert that bullish fair value gap. So let's mark this guy off just for now. See what price wants to do with this here. Now, if we get a closure above this and above this, you know, back up above the value area high or IB high, that's definitely a good sign for the bulls. Nice little bounce there.
Everybody got an explanation. Dark pools, fake breaks, liquidity heartbreak.
Liquidity heartbreak. Let's see here. Let's get some of these other songs here. Been a minute since we heard this one.
Market butcher, Mustang trader, late night futures, Discord open, charts blowing. Let's go.
Nice run so far. Yeah, it is. Hey, what a bullish move here.
While the weak hands panic, we let the winners ride. Into your posting schedules every night. Mustang pre-market day of first light. Trello 19 still watching Orby. Gets a little spook and comes right back to me. Effing trades asking questions all day. Fish tank background maybe one day. Red says 70 channels of fire. Meanwhile NQ keeps climbing higher. While we're running, nobody knows. While we're running, nobody knows. While we're running, nobody knows. But we're still long, 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 long,
Joy, you're missing out.
another setup's coming out. While the world got entries on the 1466 and the trade is on. Big Deflon says FVG's a fake. Them price fills one and everybody breaks. Jane Bond asking where the course is at. Then screaming, hit the light in chat. Greg says, can we click 5 times? Everybody
So we got another rejection out of this inverted fair value gap here. So
the top again.
Yemen's Houthi-run Saba news agency group targeted Aramco refinery in Saudi Arabia, Jazan, with 2 drones. Oh, yeah. Probably gonna stick around here till the half hour, guys. You know, like I said, already pretty profitable in all the funded accounts, except for I didn't take any trades in my Lucid funded flex accounts. So take profit trader pro up 317. Take top one futures eval is up 315, and top one futures 100k funded account up 315. Blue Sky eval up 279. Blue Sky funded up $17.40. ES is weaker than NQ here. Glad I was not greedy today. Yeah, true. Yeah, NQ's kind of holding up a little bit better. You know, we pulled pretty far away from the VWAP here, but we're currently finding resistance up here at the 30,221 area. I'm kind of not really sure what NQ is going to do here, but if we get a candle closure above IB high, I could definitely see us making a new high. Sort of like maybe if we looked at something sort of like this, maybe target like 30 points and then stop below this level here. So it's kind of a bit of a negative risk to reward, but could possibly work out. Would want to see us get a closure above IB high, or at least a really strong move through that level. Stop, profit, take loss. Jumped in a little bit early here, hoping that we're going to get up above the IB high here. This is in my funded account here on the top Blue Sky launch. Going to be pretty aggressive here with a stop loss once we get hopefully into the little bit of profit here. Come on, let's go. Not liking that we're not getting through this inverted fair value gap here, though. Not the most promising. Let's see if the bulls can't squeeze us up here, though. Might have to take a loss on this one, the way this is looking here. Currently down about 50 bucks. I have this order up here. Actually, it might front run the 50s, maybe like 249. My short order didn't fill. Not getting the momentum that I was hoping here for. Like, it looked like we were starting to get really bullish there for a minute, but kind of thinking I might want to just stop this thing out in the money here if I get another opportunity. Think we're in consolidation? Yeah, definitely looking like it. I think I may have jumped the gun on this entry here. Come on, Bulls, let's go. Step back in here. I think I might close this trade if we can get back in profit here. Just not loving what, you know, kind of having second guessing my entry here. Kind of jumped the gun on this one a little bit. Come on, let's get us back up to IB high here. Uh-oh. Looks like my Tradeify was frozen there for a minute, for a few seconds. Not giving me a chance here to get out or to get a stop in profit. The only good thing is we haven't broken down, so maybe I shouldn't have said that though.
Greg says, can I click 5 times? Everybody laughing while the market climbs. Bought the top again, bought the top again, bought the top again. Bought the top again, bought the top again, bought the top again. Bought the top again.
Yeah, Chop City right now. Yeah, I agree.
Says 31K, risk management every day. 2 MNQ, that's all I need. Payout hidden, now we breathe. All my one's too short to trend. That fence says, brother, don't do it again. 1 second chart if you need excitement, but patience usually pays the rent. Can Trump tweet war is over again? Can Trump tweet war is over again? Can Trump tweet war?
We just try to get out of this trade here. Give us a little bounce. Need like 5 points here. A little more. Come on, get. There we go. Okay, I exited that trade, guys. Added 2 micros there at the low and then just got out break even. So just not liking the price. So not feeling like the risk to reward is very good at the moment. Looks like we might go higher still, but just, you know, I probably should have waited. I felt we were going to get a closure on that candle above the inverted fair value gap. So just feel like it's probably better to get out of this trade. So Delta absolutely flat. Yeah. Oh, now that I got out of that trade, it's probably gonna rip, right? That's how things work nowadays. Did not re-invert that guy though. We closed inside it there. Yeah, I think I did too. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just not loving it. I mean, it might go on here, but it's just Oh, there we go. Of course, right? This is what I'm talking about. Figures.
Market butcher, Mustang trader, Discord, late night futures, off the top again. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, not feeling confident on this price action at the moment. I mean, we are pretty bullish. We're probably going to go higher here, but just like I said, the risk to reward just wasn't feeling right. So got out, break even. It's all good. I'm already profitable on the day, so I'm not really concerned about, you know, taking too much risk on here. Let's take a look. Just update my dashboard a bit here.
Mustang trader, late night futures, Discord open, charts blowing, let's go. Only YOLO, only YOLO, Jomo, joy I'm missing out. While the week
So taking a quick look at the day here, up $652, 6 trades, 100% win rate, which is pretty nice on the funded accounts anyways. So these are only my funded accounts, not including my evals. So I'm up 279 in the blue sky eval, and
nobody knows,
316 in my top 1 futures eval. So yeah, pretty nice. So I can add about 500. So I'm up a little over $1,000 on the day, including the evals. Pretty nice. We'll stick around here till the half hour. See if anything, if we start getting a strong closure above IB high, maybe we'll stick around a little bit longer, but pretty content with the day. We do also have a stream tonight, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so make sure you guys tune in.
Top again. Top 40 brand says 31K. Risk management every day. 2 MNQ, that's all I need. Payout hidden, now we breathe. Omar one's too short to trend. That fence says, brother, don't do it again. 1 second chart if you need excitement, but patience usually pays the rent. Can Trump tweet war is over again? Can Trump tweet war is over again? Can Trump tweet war is over again? Ah, day 150K, yes all day. Day 150K, yes all day.
Yeah, guys, you know what? Let's see here. Let's just wrap it up here, guys. I just feel like it's better to get away from the charts. You guys should probably too. Hopefully you guys are green on the session. We'll be back later tonight for the Asia session here. Oh, of course, now we're getting this closure above. Potentially getting this closure above initial balance here. Yeah, I don't want to get FOMO'd into here, so let's just call it here, guys. Thanks, everybody. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you show up for tonight's session, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come hang out. We'll hopefully be able to find some good trades tonight. Maybe some continuation of this bullish momentum here. So, yeah, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you guys. Big Teflon, Lafta, Wayne, FN Trades, Chris, Joanne, Jerry Trade, Sat, Angia, Ryan Entourage, aka Mark, Czar Trader, Tim Core, Skeletor, Born Hunting, Jack Knapp, Kuran Polywall, and Yosiel Espinoza. Well, yeah, appreciate you guys. Thanks for tuning in as usual. Love hanging out with you guys. So hopefully you guys are green on the day. Wrong trade, Jim. See ya. Angia's back right for the end of the session here. Thanks, everybody. Yeah, see you guys tonight, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come hang out. Let's find some good trades. This is no longer about an inverted fair value gap. So, yeah, God bless you, Angia. Okay, you guys have a great day. We will see you tonight. Make sure you come. We'll see you there. You have a great day too, Chris. Busy day at work, not able to participate. Wrong trade, Jim. Hey, no worries, bro. Got to make the money outside of work or outside of trading, also, right? So. Okay, thanks everybody. Bye bye.